Hello there, YouTubers. So I'm out today at my, heading there to my 30s, 40s, 50s dump along the creek. You see all the glass. It's all window glass there. To see if we can find some cool embossed bottles and whatever else, some marbles maybe. Creek's up pretty high. It never dries up, but I bet you there's a lot of nice bottles down in there. It's all mud bottom though. So yep, we'll get you back up when we get there and find something good, hopefully. Alright. Okay, just been here about 10 minutes now. Started a new hole. Found this little crock, but there's a big chip out of it and I can't find the piece, so cute little crock either way. Something on the bottom, but don't really matter. Got one marble already, just a black one. And then this weird vial, cobalt blue vial, which is pretty cool. Look at that. So that's a keeper. So yeah, I'll play around in here a bit more. If not, I'm going to go down there and to my usual holes that I got opened up, like 3 or 4 down there. Oh, this is cool too. I found one of these in decent shape. It's one of those Sun Rubber Company's panel wagon from the 30s. This one's been in a fire, obviously. But yeah, cool nonetheless. Oh well, let's see what else we can find. Alright, started another new hole, and I just got this probably 40s, maybe I'd say late 40s, early 50s Horton Dairy. Double ACL on both sides. Perfect condition. That's nice. Beauty. Alright. Some broken cobalt blues as well. Looks like that might be an ink, but it's a newer one. Yeah, we'll keep popping around in this hole and see what else. Yeah, that's a heartbreaker, eh? Top's busted off. But I just saw a marble. I think it's right here somewhere. There it is. Ooh, this looks nice. Look at that. That's got to be an alley, I think. Alley swirl. I think I might stay here for a bit. Yeah, look at that. Look at that orange. Orange and red. That is killer. Looks to be in good condition too. Bit of rust on it, but I don't see any dings or anything. Yes. Beauty. Alright, this one was like right on top, right on the surface. That's a nice green swirl. Look at that. That's a beauty. I also found something that I'm not quite sure. So that's marble number 3. Some kind of monocular, I think. It's got glass on this side, glass on that side. I think these ends are brass, and I think this might be ivory. So I don't know if you look through it like a monocular. I'm taking it home and cleaning it up, but it definitely looks like something like that. This thing moves up and down, you can see, so I don't know if that's for focus. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting though. Alright, I had a cave in and I see a marble, looks like blue and brown, sitting right on top. Oh yeah. Some kind of patch. It's actually white with some clear sections. Look at that. I don't know if that's brown or burgundy or kind of an ox blood or what. It's pretty cloudy today. Don't know, but yeah, I'll scoop this cave-in out, see what else we can find. Down below is burnt. Everything's melted, so I'm assuming the marbles are probably going to be melted. So I'm just going to concentrate on the top 3 feet, see what happens. That's where I found that milk bottle and that monocular, and the other marbles have all been about 3 feet down. So yep, let's keep going. Guys, I think I got something sick, and it looks like an above average size marble. Right in the center of the screen there. Oh man. Oh man. This thing is killer. I don't know what kind of marble this is. Oh. Orange, red, purple, brown swirl. What on earth is this? It's got to be some kind of vitro or something. Look at that. Wow. That's probably 3/4 inch, I would think. It's pretty big. What a marble. Wow. Jeez. Alright, you got another. Right there. Another swirl. Yeah, I'm right in the age group, man. 1940s dump. Yeah, look at that. Nice orange and kind of an orangey brown and an orange. Maybe a bit of yellow, but that could be rust too. Beautiful. Just dug this out like 6 inches underneath and just trying a new spot. Hep soda. It says get hep for yourself. And this was bottled by Red Rock of Canada in Ottawa. I don't think that ACL is going to survive. It's already pretty bad. The back's fine, but we'll try. Keep it kind of damp on the way home and see what happens. But cool, I don't have one of those. It's kind of an early 50s. This is like, I'm right at the bottom of the hill where a lot of the newer trash has fallen to the bottom. Alright, I'm surprised I didn't break this, guys. I just pulled it out with my rake. Can you see that down there? It looks like an orange crush. It is. Looks good on the back. I don't want to mess with the front. I don't think. It's all there. Yeah, I got it with the rake, man. Damn it. But it's all there. Beauty. Yeah, I got the ACL with the rake. That's almost as bad as hitting a coin metal detecting with a shovel. Damn it. Well, we'll keep it. I got a 7-up too, but the ACL's buggered on that. Yep. Alright. There's another one right beside it. Look. Oh my god. Oh no, really? Oh, there is. Oh. Oh, yeah. Maybe there's a cache. Wow. 2 orange crush. That one I didn't hit. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to be careful I see, nah, that's a jar. Yeah, I'll have to be careful down there. All right, beautiful. Okay, I'm back. Just had a marble, I think, drop out of the ceiling. Looks like a bigger than average one again. Oh, this looks like Vaseline glass. I think it probably is. It's just a green marble. It's got some wear. But it'd be cool if it was Vaseline glass. It glow in the dark. Cool. Let's keep going. Look at that baby glow. Isn't that cool? There's uranium in it. Cool, eh? I think I got me a marble. Right up there in the wall. That's a nice yellow swirl. That's a nice one. Beautiful. I'll take that. Got a nice ACL. Hopefully it's full or whole. Oh yeah, it's not great. Moran's Beverages, St. Catharines, Ontario. Well, I don't have one. I mean, the label's pretty much all there. Doesn't want to focus, but refreshing drink and marvelous mixer. It's probably from the early 50s, I would assume. Right on. I'll take that. Alright, I started a new hole. It's like 6 inches deep. And got my first marble. There's marbles everywhere here. Looks like a purple swirl. Oh, no, it's blue. No, it's purple. I'm colorblind. It's a nice one. It's blue. It's just a deep blue. It's actually different on my camera than it is in person. Nice. Lots of bottles sticking out in there too. Alright, we'll keep going. Oh yeah. You see it? Looks like an orange swirl to me. Oh yeah. That's nice. Almost kind of like got flames, but it's not a flame marble. Similar. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks like a set of lips. Right on. Okay, well, I'm into the marbles now. I've got 3 out of this hole already. And I think I just got my 4th. And I'm finding toys too. It's a cool looking brown swirl. It's like brown and yellow and tan. That's really nice. But yeah, I just found this whistle. This whistle here, it's a train. Look at that. I think it's still got the P inside too. Green on one side, yellow on the other. I got this little, I don't know if that's a wolf or something. And in here, I found another little caboose. So I'm digging a lot of toys in this hole, and toys mean marbles. So yeah, doing good. Put those in there so I don't lose them. Yeah, let's keep going a little bit longer here. Getting pretty beat. I've been here like 5 hours now. Well, I did one rake after I shut the camera off, and I got another marble down here. It's a sick blue swirl, man. Like, look at that. That is nice. Beautiful. Alright, 5 marbles in that hole. Let's keep going. Well, I got another. Jeez, they're just loaded in here. They're all swirls, too. Look at that one. Wow. That one is sweet. Nice. That's how big the hole is, folks. Maybe 2 feet wide by 2 feet deep, and I've got 6 marbles out of it, and a couple toys, old vintage toys, trains, train whistle. I mean, you can't beat it. All right, let's keep going. Okay, last marble, and I think it's a good one. Right there. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's a nice swirl, eh? Look at that. That's awesome. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. I'm exhausted. It's a great day though. And I'll probably do somewhat of a cleanup. And we'll see how everything turned out. Alright. Okay, I'm not done. I was cleaning out the hole and we got another marble. It's another swirl. That's pretty much what the day's been like. Not a bad one. It's not really a swirl, it's more like patchy. And either way, I'm going to finish cleaning out this hole. If I find anything else, I'll bring you back. Alright, so I'll go a little quick roundup here. I got the 2 orange crush. Let me back off a bit. There we go. 2 orange crush. I got that hep one. Don't know how that's going to turn out. I got a small Coke 1949. That monocular thing or whatever it is. The Moran's ginger ale from St. Catherine's. Got this Clay Glover Co. H. Clay Glover Co. Screw cap amber bottle. It's from New York. Don't know what's up with that. I don't know what it is. Probably a med. I got the Horton Dairy. It's a nice ACL on there. Got that little vial, cobalt blue vial. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool looking. And I got 17 marbles. The best being this one, which I think is a Vitro. I could be wrong. Probably lots of alley agates in there. Maybe some other ones, I'm not sure. Little clear one in the center there. But that one at the front and that orange, red, and blue one's probably my favorite. And that swirl that looks like it's got lips on it. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's a good day. We're heading out. We'll see you later.